Hello my dear students, the students in 6th grade from أطفال الرمثة النموذجية Academy. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today, inshallah, we will start with a new unit, Unit 4. I need you to open your student book, page 20. What is the title of our lesson? The title is Jordan isn't as dry as Egypt. The title of our lesson is Jordan isn't as dry as Egypt. Look at the word dry here. What is the part of speech of this word? Dry is adjective. Dry is adjective and it means not wet. For the title means Egypt is drier than Jordan. Again, the title means Egypt is drier than Jordan. Look at the pictures here. How many pictures do we have? We have 4 pictures. Look at the first picture. Who can see in the first picture? I can see Layla, Samira, and some girls. Where are they? They are at school. What are Layla and Samira going to talk about? They are going to talk about Jordan. Look at the poster here. We have a lot of natural places in Jordan, such as desert, canyon, mountains, and forest. Let's move to the second picture. We have here Layla and Miss Salma. What is Layla going to talk about? She is going to talk about Jordan and other countries. We have here 4 maps to Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Lebanon, and Jordan. Look at these maps, ya Sadas. Which country is the biggest? Which country is the biggest? Saudi Arabia is the biggest country. Let's move to picture 3. In this picture, we have Layla and Samira are talking about the weather in Amman and Riyadh. The last picture. In this picture, look at Layla. What is she holding in her hand? She is holding a picture for Aqaba Sea, while Samira is holding a picture for desert. Let's start reading. Miss Salma, this afternoon, Samira and Layla are going to talk to the class. Samira, Jordan is a fascinating country. We have the word fascinating. Fascinating is adjective and it means very interesting. There are deserts and mountains. There are canyons. Canyons means very narrow valley and valleys. There are nature reserves and forests too. What can you see in Jordan? I can see deserts, mountains, canyons, valleys, nature reserves, and forests. Picture number 2. Layla, this is Jordan on the map. Look at the map here. Map means خريطة. This is Jordan on the map. Jordan is bigger than Lebanon. فليلى compares between Jordan and Lebanon. Jordan is bigger than Lebanon. It isn't as big as Saudi Arabia or Egypt. It refers to Jordan. فجordan isn't as big as Saudi Arabia or Egypt. فسو يا سادس, that means Saudi Arabia and Egypt are bigger than Jordan. Miss Salma, well done Layla. What's the weather like in Jordan? We ask about the weather. Weather means الطقس. Picture number 3. Samira, it's hot here in the summer, but it isn't as hot as Saudi Arabia. We have here the pronoun it. What does this pronoun refer to? Yeah, refers to Jordan. It refers to Jordan. Jordan is hot here in the summer, but it isn't as hot as Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is hotter than Jordan. Layla, in the capital city. Capital. What do we mean by capital? What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Yeah, the capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Capital means عاصمة. In the capital city Riyadh, it's 43 degrees centigrade in the summer. Degrees centigrade is a scale of measuring temperature. We use these words to measure a temperature. Samira, Jordan isn't as dry as Egypt. It's one of the driest countries on earth. It refers to Egypt. Yes, this pronoun refers to Egypt. Egypt is one of the driest countries on earth. It has 50 millimeters of rain every year. My question here, how hot is Riyadh in the summer? It's 43 degrees centigrade in the summer. We have the answer here. It's 43 degrees centigrade in the summer. How much rain does Egypt have every year? It has 50 millimeters of rain every year. Let's move to picture number 4. Miss Selma, what's your favorite place in Jordan? Layla answers, my favorite place is Aqaba. It's on the coast. What is a part of the speech of this word? Coast is a noun. It means the lines that separates between the land and the sea. We call it coast, ساحل. There's a beautiful coral reef. Coral reef means شعاب مرجانية in the sea. Samira, my favorite place is the desert. There are sand dunes. Sand dunes means hills of sand. كثبان رملية. I like the gazelles and lizards. Look at the picture. I can see here gazelle. Okay, and lizard. Lizards means sahali. Miss Salma, good. Well done. What can you see in Aqaba? I can see a beautiful coral reef. What can you see in the desert? I can see gazelles and lizards.